Hi, my name is Kaydence Robertson, and today I'm going to speak to you about brain cancer. Brain cancer is a disease that can start with a single cell and begin to grow abnormally into a tumor that can become malignant. According to Cancer.net, it is estimated that about 18,000 adults, men and women, will die from primarily cancerous brain and central nervous system tumors this year. Today we will be speaking about the following questions. What is brain cancer? What are the effects of brain cancer? How does brain cancer cause financial devastation? How do you survive as a family with cancer? Now that you know what I will be speaking with you about today, let's review what the research has to say. First, what is brain cancer? As I said earlier, brain cancer is a disease that can start with a single cell and begin to grow abnormally into a tumor that can become malignant. Brain cancer is when cells grow out of control and crowd out normal cells. BrainTumor.org reports that the symptoms of brain cancer is headaches, seizures, difficulty in thinking and speaking, changes in personality, tingling on one side of the body, stiffness on one side of the body, loss of balance, and change in vision. These symptoms make them feel very uncomfortable and makes daily tasks hard for them to complete. Brain cancer is a disease that may be caused by genetic or environmental changes. Brain cancer can be caused by radiation, genetics, and age. There's many treatments for brain cancer, such as surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. They also provide various types of medication. Now that I've told you what brain cancer is, let's move on to the effects of brain cancer. Secondly, what are the effects of brain cancer? I've personally witnessed brain cancer and can tell you the effects on the family. The family went through the 5 stages of grief, and I also witnessed some of my family be emotionally hurt because they didn't know what was going to happen. Everybody was scared. The effects on the patient are that they were scared because they are going through something they have never experienced before. They were affected by their appearance because they lose hair from treatment, lose weight, and their skin changes. Now that I have explained the physical and emotional effects of cancer, let's take a look at the financial effects. Thirdly, how does cancer cause financial devastation? According to TanFrontline.com, the median total direct cost of patient care was $91,000, with radiotherapy and imaging costs being the most expensive, approximately $14,000 each. How do you pay for this? You can pay for this with insurance or Medicaid, but it would be very hard to pay with this straight out of your pocket. Having brain cancer can cause personal costs such as losing your job or going bankrupt. We talked about how brain cancer causes financial devastation. Now let's move on to how to survive as a family with brain cancer. Finally, how do you survive as a family with brain cancer? I think that if you have a family member with brain cancer, it is important to support the family as a whole. You should listen and show empathy to the whole family and the patient. It is also very important to seek resources such as counseling and financial help. Today we talked about the serious impact that brain cancer has on the patient and the family. We briefly looked over the following questions. What is cancer? What are the effects of cancer? How does brain cancer cause financial devastation? And how do you survive as a family with cancer? Although this can be a hard topic for some people, I hope you learned something from this. Thank you.